Good morning, Michelle here from StrawBearie, and today I'm at my church. We are going to have our first packing party for the year. I go to a tiny church. We have less than about 30 people in attendance every week, and we do over 1,000 shoeboxes every year. So part of the way that we do that is we have multiple packing parties where we do about, our goal I think today is about 200, 250 shoeboxes, so that we don't have to do them all at once. And so let's go inside, and I'm going to show you how it's all set up.
So for this particular packing party, we are only doing 5 to 9-year-olds and 10 to 14-year-olds because that's what we have stuff for. And so as you can see, this side of the room are boys and this side of the room are girls. So you start at one of the tables and you pick up a shoebox, and inside of it is a little pencil pack that's got like a washcloth and a toothbrush in it, as well as the school supplies. Once you pick up that, then you can pick a wow item, and you can pick some other small toys and different things that are on the tables. So this is the 5 to 9, so it's the same concept, same idea. You're picking up toys that can go in the boxes. Here's our girls 10 to 14 all ready to go with different items on the table. And here's our girls 5 to 9. You can also come over here and you can pick up, these are items for any age. So we've got like water bottles and notepads and colored pencils and balls and chalk and jump ropes. You can come over here. This is our clothing station with the clothes that have been donated that could go into a shoebox. And then this is just a bunch of little filler items, like little cars and kazoos and slinkies and balls and things, and some little stuffed animals. And speaking of stuffed animals, here are our big stuffed animals. So this is our stuffed animal station, so that you can fill up your shoeboxes. Once you've filled up your shoebox, you bring it over here to this table and you pray over your shoebox and you turn it in here to Miss April and she makes sure that it's okay, and if it needs a rubber band on it, but usually not. And then we actually get cartons from our area coordinator in advance so we can go ahead and pack them in the cartons ahead of time. And I know that not a lot of people get that advantage to do that. Oh, look, we have a bunch of cartons ready to go as soon as everybody gets here to start packing. And Diana, can I put you on camera? And this is Diana and Jackson. And Diana is in charge of setting all this up and running all this and organizing all this at our church, and she does an amazing job. So let's get packing. Jackson, you fill in the shoebox?
Yep, as much as I can.
Okay, what's your favorite thing to put in so far? The Play-Doh?
Yep, I love Play-Doh. I loved it as a kid and I'd eat it a lot.
Well, we're not supposed to eat Play-Doh, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Hi, Connie.
Hello.
What's your favorite thing that you're putting in your shoebox?
A prayer. A prayer. The best thing goes in a box.
Very good. Very good. Joanne, this is your first time packing shoeboxes, right?
Yes.
And are you enjoying yourself?
Very much. Very much.
And do you mind being on camera?
No. Don't mind. Thank you. Thank you.
Have we done
so far today? Do you know?
We've done 9 big boxes.
9 cartons
Yeah.
of 16 each.
Yes.
So 9 times 16 is
135.
135. Oh, we need to get going. We need to do a 200. Okay, we need to keep working, keep working, keep working.
We had a great day today. We ended up packing 192 shoe boxes, so just 8 short of our goal. All of our stuff was gone, so it's time to start collecting so that we can have our next packing party in a couple of months to make some more. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, like it, subscribe, tell a friend. Toodles!